People seriously underestimate how important it is to make your landing page look beautiful. It's simple maths. The better the design, the more trust in cold visitors, let alone your warm leads, and hence more conversions, more cash. That's why we're having an exclusive webinar to show you how to design a killer landing page in under 20 minutes. We'll be using Glorify, our AI-powered graphics design tool, to create your landing page images, and Brizy, a super powerful and easy-to-use no-code web builder to knock out that landing page. We'll start by picking a Brizy template and drafting your landing page. We'll then design images on Glorify in line with the campaign theme, and finally we'll customize and polish up the final landing page with all the bells and whistles ready for delivery. If you're building landing pages for your clients or your own business, this one is for you. Best part is that you don't have to be a professional designer by no means. The session is going to be delivered to you by myself and my awesome co-hosts at Brizy and Glorify. So if you want to unlock more revenue in 2024, then sign up to the webinar and save your spot. And for those attendees that make it to the live webinar, at the end of the session, there's going to be a special offer for you guys for both Brizy and Glorify. I promise the registration link is somewhere around here. You know what to do. I'll see you there.